So here is this air quality, let me see, the air quality monitor. It shows your temperature, humidity, CO2, PM 1.0.2.5/10, the HCHO, TVOC, and AQI. It has 16-in-1 air monitoring, external air sensors, lab calibrated precision, real-time air alert, 7-inch large display, and 3-level brightness. So this is how I'm gonna show you guys how it looks real quick, and then I'm gonna plug it in, and so we can see how my air quality is. And if you're just someone who's curious about checking your air quality in your area or in your house, I definitely would recommend this product. This is how it looks. It has the buttons back here if you can see. As a timer, the brightness, the volume, and the power back here. And it has like these things so it doesn't slide around. It stays in one place. And yes, and it also comes with a charger and to plug it in. It's like the same one, the C port, just like your current iPhone. So if you have that, you can also use your iPhone charger if you lose this, which is very convenient. But I'm gonna plug this in real quick and show you guys how it looks. So this is how it looks. It's plugged in. It's the numbers are still changing because I just turned it on, so it's probably like monitoring everything around me at the moment. But at the moment, it shows like a happy face, meaning and it's on green, meaning I'm assuming the air quality is good at the moment, at like currently. And if you want to understand what these numbers are and what everything means, I'd recommend you research. Or if you already know what it is, then great, this is for something and you want to have it in your house. I completely do recommend this. But yeah, it's great. And right now I'm using, like I said, my phone charger because it's pretty long. It's like 10 feet long, and I'm pretty far from an outlet. So if you want to use like a long charging thing and don't want to use what they provide, you can as well. So yeah.